Like, it's real sunny. So here you have the Trambus Metro Ferry. Yes, you finish video?
No. Be careful where you're going behind.
No, messy man. Huh? I'm not sure you want to ask them. Yeah. I'm just pause. I'm just stop this a while. But I go and ask them because I'm not sure. Maybe I do a walking tour, so I never want to stop the video. But if them say yes, sure, no problem. Okay, I give one.
So nice.
Alright, thank you so much.
I want to go back.
Ready? Smile. Okay. Voila. Alright, thank you so much. Alright. Thank you. Yes. That's nice. Take your time and get in the sides and we want to get our stop, we want to stop, you know. I don't know, something on my bill, I'm sure.
Stop. 15 minutes, that's the only reason why I play this bike, because look, it's absolutely
oh, we have a museum over there somebody got before. So we're gonna go over there as well, but first we want to go on the right. I will also make it probably try the fries. No, you have a see. No, you have a view, a great view of like all that something here, sir. Huh? If you want, you can probably sit down here and wait 2 minutes. If you want. Because normal if you sit down here and just wait, people sit down all the time. If you want to sit down. If not, you want to go to the church?
This is nice. Look here.
Yeah,
Let's
see.
get a good view now.
Yeah. You want to go inside the church or no? Well, I think I want church, the cathedral. You want to go inside or no? Alright, so it's either we go to where's that water or something there? To the left or we go down to the right? Where you prefer? Alright. one cross, but why we cross out there, so?
So we're going back where we're coming from.
No, but this way I go. We'll cross them here, so, but we are wait for the car them. Bye-bye, or come. I don't think if we walk across like this, you know. Hopefully the police not see me.
Ng Pilipinas.
Come, we'll try to put on a side here. But look where I go. Alright, come quick, mommy. Come quick. Come quick. Come quick. Come quick. I'll come before something else come. You see that?
What is that?
Maybe another cathedral. And you see top of the, top of the first cathedral we just see. And then over there, so you have something that looks like another cathedral.
Yeah, there's a lot of cathedrals.
Yeah. And then you have another canal tour.
Let's go all the way around here.
Yeah, you want to go all through the canal. Oh, you also have this famous lady with name Anna something. We have a museum out here. And the Van Gogh Museum as well. But I feel like them something there.
On the road.
Alright, come quick. Because I say go, but we are go cross. Come quick, me tell you moves quick. Because we have, I know we shouldn't cross, but I'm telling you come quick. So I'm telling you come quick, you have to come cross quick because I know our turn for pass. Alright, come quick. I don't take it from, I take it left and go round. It's into that building there. Alright, too much walking for you. Where you prefer? You prefer we'll go around that way there or you want to go this through there? So which you prefer?
Which one would I end up back?
Yeah, wherever you want.
Because if we go that direction, we'll end up back on this side, right?
Yeah, if you want.
So we are here, let's go there.
Of coffee cake. If you want to stop anywhere, tell me here. If you want to stop anywhere, tell me. Mums, know what me I do.
uit. Dat nu even staan.
It's pretty much I get some sun. Yeah. Good enough for red, that makes sense to get one. You alright, Mums? You want to grab a chow near the bicycle end? Or no? I mean, if you want to. Korean barbecue and bar. So wait, you want to take it or no? Maybe. Huh?
just
It's a lot because everywhere go, yeah, bicycles over there, so left, right, everywhere. Yeah, more bicycles and cars.
tired, right?
Hmm?
I'm tired.
Well, enough walking left to do. Just see some more stuff and what have you. Just see some more stuff. Oh, booking.com. Ah, never know that place you have an 8 quarter. Well, I guess logically it should.
En morgen dan, oh my god.
It's real sunny out here. You want a picture near the boat them or something? Huh? Maybe if you want a picture near them.
Okay, right there.
Where you want the picture? Mm.
It's on something still.
You want it with there, sir?
Greetings.
Hello, greetings, greetings. I'm good, you?
I'm great.
Nice, nice. Where are you from? Here?
Yeah. I'm from the light.
Okay, good. That's an
You're
answer.
from Jamaica.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, for it. Yeah.
One love.
One love.
And you, where are you from?
You know what? Actually, I'm supposed to say zero love. Because zero is full cycle.
Okay, I get you. Because zero love, because zero is a circle. You know, zero is a circle, so you come back around. Well, that's nice. Have you ever been to Jamaica before?
No.
No.
We tried to talk about this.
So you were born here? That's nice. It's very nice, pretty nice.
Know the culture, man.
It's nice to meet you, alright? We have like a few minutes before we finish our tour, alright?
We could go right there.
So take care. You want to picture yourself?
Yeah.
No problem.
Zero love.
Zero love, of course, respect. Oh, there say you want it? I can't take it, my hand them full. Then put it there, put it on my neck. My phone dropped.